What's up, guys? I'm back at Force Motors right now, and guess what? We just picked up this awesome work truck. 3, 2, 1. What do you think, dude? 2005 Chevy Kodiak cab C4500 bucket truck. How about this, dude? It looks pretty rough. And guys, this has the 8.1 liter GM V8 Vortec with an Allison transmission, dude. This is crazy. And man, it is super hot today. It's almost like 80 degrees right now. It's got nice GM bucket seats like the freaking Chevy Express passenger van. And guys, this is super similar as the passenger van. Same doors, same exact door style. And this is the freaking big dog. This has the freaking, and this thing came from freaking Arizona, which is super hot. So I'll go ahead and start at the back here. Has a tow hitch, and this is the bucket. Oh, freaking almost fell. So here's the inside of the arm. This is the pump, or these are your security lights, and here's the bucket. It's pretty nice. It's kind of spinning around a little bit. And these are your controls for the outside. That's pretty nice. There's a plug here. It's got two 12-volt ports. Let's go inside it. And I'm not gonna fire it up. Sorry about that. So I can't fire this up because this has a little knocky. It's kind of knocking. So we'll fix that. Here's the engine bay. So you just take these off, and I'll open up the hood for it. I'll be right back, guys. All right, there we go. There she is, boys. 8.1 V8, dude. This is this is the big dog. Air cleaner. This thing is crazy huge, dude. This is crazy. That's your power steering fluid, coolant reservoir, brake fluid. Where's the battery on this? Where's the battery? Right there. No, this is your fuse box. That's your fuse box. And there's your battery jump point. And a ground, you could find a ground like right here. You could find a ground like right here. So that's pretty nice. Radiator. This is pretty sweet. And now I'll go inside. Alright. So now I'll go inside. This thing is pretty dope. And there's a cigarette burns. Center console. Here's the key for it. It's a normal Chevy key. Let's show you guys the mileage. Fuel. 153 on the miles, dude. No way. 153. Brakes. See if it, no. Manual windows. And this dumb pump thing, this is kind of annoying. If you guys could listen, this is kind of annoying. If you guys can comment down below what that thing is. Let's see here. AC controls. Radio controls. These are for your lights. This is kind of falling apart. That sucks. Yeah, and this thing was from Facebook Marketplace. Smell tree right there. I like that horn too. It's a nice old Chevy Touch. And guys, the AC freaking works on this thing. Are you kidding me? And yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna fire it up because it has a bad engine, or it has a little, because this engine's kind of knocky. So I don't want to break this motor. If you guys don't know how much these motors are, comment down below. And guys, it is super freaking hot in here. It's like crazy hot. It's crazy. Yeah, I need to like open the windows. It's got manual windows too. So we'll let some air in with the windows. Battery meter. And guys, listen. This has the same freaking chime as that work truck. If you guys remember that old work truck we had, I mean that we have still. It's an 03 Silverado 2-wheel drive V6. And guys, listen, it's super similar. Listen to it. That is so similar, dude. I'm freaking serious. Light controls. Hazard button. Not bad at all. Yeah, bro, this thing's a beast, bro. If like we can like find like a very good mechanic for this thing, this thing would be perfect for a lot, dude. And guys, we've had another bucket truck by Chevy. It's this is a C4500 bucket truck, and we had a older one. It was like an 04 or an 02, probably. Here's the passenger side. It's got tan cloth. It's not that bad. Yeah, I feel like super well on this thing. Dude, I fit so good in here. I feel like nothing. Yeah, let's put this window down. Where's the window? There it is. Power outlet. Airbag. Center console. Okay, well, that'll do it. Alright, sorry guys, I have to take this real quick.